In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add gold to your Metatrader 5 platform step by step. Whether you're using the mobile or desktop version, the process is simple. It only takes a few minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll have gold added to your watch list and ready for analysis or trading. Start by opening the Metatrader 5 app on your device. If it's not already open, launch it and make sure you're logged into your trading account. Metatrader 5 is widely used by traders to access Forex, stocks, indices, and commodities, making it a powerful all-in-one trading platform. Once the app is running, navigate to the Market Watch section. This is where live price quotes for available financial instruments are displayed. On desktop, it's typically located on the left side of the screen. If you don't see it, click View in the top menu and select Market Watch to enable it. On mobile, you can usually find it in the Quotes tab. Inside the Market Watch window, look for the plus icon. This button allows you to add new symbols to your watch list. Tap or click on it to open the symbol search field. In the search bar, type Xauusd. This is the standard symbol for gold priced against the US dollar. As you type, the platform will filter the available instruments and display matching results. Depending on your broker, you may see slight variations of the symbol, but Xauusd is the most common format. When Xauusd appears in the list, select it to add it to your Market Watch. Once added, it will immediately show up in your instrument list, allowing you to open charts, analyze price action, set alerts, or place trades. Adding gold to your platform enables you to monitor one of the most actively traded commodities in the global market. It also helps diversify your trading opportunities beyond traditional currency pairs. That's all it takes to add gold to Metatrader 5. With Xauusd now visible in your Market Watch, you're ready to track price movements and integrate gold into your trading strategy. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more practical trading tutorials to help you get the most out of your platform.